Hello students, in this video I am here to solve NCERT numericals related to spherical lenses. Here I have written two questions which are of your NCERT exercises, and in this box I have written the relations which are going to be used in solving these numericals. You need to remember these relations for solving numericals further. For solving, as I have told you how to solve numericals using spherical mirrors, same process you have to apply in solving these numericals also, but only the relation differs here. This relation is said to be Lenz formula, you have already been told. Read this question. An object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from a converging lens. I have told you that converging lens is that lens which used to converge light, and that is convex lens. Of focal length 10 cm. F is given. Here height of an object is given, size of an object is given, and you are asked to find out the position, size and nature. So let us start solving this numerical. First of all, write down what is given. What is given? H means height of object. Here it is written object 5 cm in length. Means HO, in this relation I have written here HO means height of object is 5 cm. In height we don't need to apply any sign convention because height always remains positive. Next thing is written is held 25 cm away from a converging lens of focal length. Means object distance is also given to you, that is u is equal to 25 cm. U is object distance and focal length f is equal to 10 cm. One thing more I have written here, focal length of convex lens is positive while focal length of concave lens is negative. U is always means object is always used to place on the left side of the mirror, and left side, if this is a convex lens, object is placed at 25 cm. This is parallel to what? Negative x-axis. So this value is going to be negative. That's why U will be considered as negative. Now while solving or while using this relation, we can, you already know that this is Lenz formula. Using this relation only, we know F is given, U is given, we have to find out V. So from Lenz formula, 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon F plus 1 upon U. It will be 1, means I have taken this 1 upon U on the left side. 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon minus 25. If you will take the LCM of this, what will be? It will be 50. Here it will be 5 plus minus minus 25 to the 50. It will be 2. 1 upon V is equal to 3 upon 50, or 50 upon 3 is equal to V. Dividing this, what we will get? 16.67 centimeter, means V will be equivalent to 16.67 centimeter. Means position of an image. Here it is written position of an image. So we have find out the position of an image as image distance 16.67 centimeter. Now size of the image also, whatever this image is formed, at whatever position it will form, you have find out. We have to find out the size, means HI. If we need to find, we will use which relation? This magnification. We don't need to know magnification, but we have this relation HI upon HO. Just put the value of V. V will be 16.67. U will be, with the sign convention, minus 25. HI will be HI we have to find out, and HO is given here 5. How you will find out this? HI, here I am writing it. HI is equal to 5 into 16.67 upon minus 25. 5 will cancel this 5. It will be in negative, and it should be in negative because the image is going to be formed this side in this manner, and this line will be parallel to the negative y-axis. Therefore, this height is going to be negative, as the distances taken perpendicular in downward direction to the principal axis are always taken to be negative. So this height is going to be negative. It will be HI is equal to 3.3 minus centimeter. These are the two answers. So if you are asked to write the answer will be HI is equal to minus 3.3 centimeter and V is equal to 16.67 centimeter. These are the answers. Once again you see, go through all these step one by one. I hope you all will be able to understand this question. Now let's move to the next question here written. A concave lens of focal length 25 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object? Here what is given? You have to write down what is given. It is concave lens, means diverging lens of focal length f is equal to 15 centimeter. I hope you all remember that focal length of concave lens is always negative, so it will be negative by sign convention. Forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. Means image distance is given to you, that is 10 centimeter from the lens. How far is the object placed from the lens? Object distance you are asked to find out. Again, using same lens formula, 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Putting the value of, or it can be done in the same manner, that 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. If we take 1 upon u on left side, it will become like this. 1 upon u is equal to, what is v? V is 10 centimeter. And what will be the f? It is minus 1 upon minus of 15. Again, if you will take LCM, what it will be? It will be 30. 3 minus minus plus 2. 1 upon u is equal to 5 upon 30. U is equal to 6 centimeter. Given that f is equal to 15 centimeter, concave lens has negative focal length, as it is written here also it has negative focus. So by sign convention we will place here minus sign, negative sign. Image distance. Just try to assume or imagine a ray diagram for this question. What you will imagine? A concave lens is like this. Its focal length, I have told that it has what focus? Virtual focus. So it has virtual focus f given 15. It will be having focus on left side and image distance. Two of the ray diagrams or two of the cases you have studied in context to concave lens. First one is that object will be placed at infinity and image will be formed at focus. Second one is if an object is placed at any point or any place between optical center and infinity, image is going to form on the same side. Means on concave lens always used to form what type of image? Concave lens always used to form virtual image, and virtual image for concave lens will be on left side. Left side by sign convention is considered to be negative. That's why by writing image distance 10 centimeter we need to place negative sign. This is very important to remember how to use sign convention in each and every question. Now how far is the object? Again using this lens formula, what you will get? You will get 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon v minus 1 upon f. Just place the values, just put the values. 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon minus time times minus 1 upon minus times 15. 1 upon u is equal to what it will be? LCM if you will take, it will be 30. It will be minus 3, minus minus will become plus, and it will be 2. Simply 1 upon u is equal to minus 1 upon 30, or u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. I have told now that in case of concave lens, if this is focus given 15 and object distance was not given, image object distance you have found out 30 centimeter, means it is at some finite distance. It is actually the finite distance, and whenever for a concave lens object is placed at finite distance, image is going to be formed on the same side. That's why this negative sign in the value of 10 centimeter has been taken. Nothing else has been asked in this question. Just the trick or just the main point to be remembered in this question was this: why and how we have taken v is equal to 10 centimeter. If you will minus 10 centimeter, if you will not take it minus 10 centimeter, your numerical is going to be get wrong. Students, so there are two more numericals. First, read this question. A needle placed 45 centimeter from a lens forms an image on the screen placed 90 centimeter on the other side. This you have to remember it, because further it has asked that identify the type of lens and determine its focal length. Firstly, you have to identify that which type of lens is being used here, or which type of, with the help of which type of lens this experiment has been done. A needle placed 40 centimeter means needle is an object and height of an object. If you are asked to write the given data, what is given here? Height of an object. No, a needle placed 45 centimeter from a lens forms means 45 centimeter is the object distance. Needle is an object. Forms an image on the screen placed 90 centimeter. Screen distance is given you 90 centimeter. I have left space here to put the sign, because sign conventions will be used. Now if it has asked that, if it is saying that image is formed on the other side, one thing you remember, just go through all the, try to recall all the ray diagrams. What you will find, in case of convex lens, all the cases are such that the image is being used to form on the other side. Only one case is there in the convex lens in which image is formed on the same side. While if you will talk or if you will recall the Venn diagrams of concave lens, you will find that all the images used to form on the same side. Here it has asked that image is formed on the other side. Other side means which type of lens? I hope you all have got the answer. What will be the answer? Answer will be convex lens, because in convex lens only image is used to form on the other side. So one answer we have got it. The lens used here is convex lens. Now all the sign convention of some convex lens will be applied here. You know that in any of the lens or mirror, object is always used to place on the left side. Left side is actually the parallel axis or axis of negative axis, so it will be negative. Now on the other hand, if you have got this image, you have got that it is convex lens. In convex lens, image is found on the right side. Right side means positive x-axis, so image distance will be positive. What else is given in this questions? Just see. Determine its focal length. With the help of these two data, we will be able to find out the focal length using this relation. What is the size of the image? Means needle size is also, no. What is the size of the image? Whatever image of this needle is used to, is going to form on the screen, which is at 90 centimeter. What will be the size of the image of this needle? We have to find out the length, focal length, size of the image, and if the size of the needle is, means needle size is actually given here. HO will be 5 centimeter. So with the help of this much data, we will be able to find out the focal length is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V means 90 minus of 1 by 45. 1 upon F is equal to LCM. If you will take, it will be 90. Here it will be 1 plus 2. 1 upon F is equal to 3 upon 90, or F is equal to 90 upon 3, which will be equal to 30 centimeter. It is coming in positive, means our answer is correct, because in convex lens focal length, it has real focus. I have told you real focus exists on the right side. Right side is actually the portion of positive x-axis, so focal length of convex lens is 30 centimeter. So answer, no, still we have to find out one thing, that is size of the image. Let us find out the size of the image. HI is equal to, which relation you will use? You will use this much of data, and in that we know that HI upon HO is equal to V upon U. Just putting the values, HI upon 5 is given here, HO, V we have written here 90, U we have written here minus of 45, sign with sign convention, it will be 2, and HI will be actually what? 2 into 5 of minus, this minus sign will be there, HI will be minus 10 and it has to be negative. So answers will be F is equal to plus 30 centimeter and HI will be minus 10 centimeter. Why it has came minus? Image will be real, it will be on the right side, but the position of the image will be perpendicular in downward direction to the principal axis, and downward direction is again parallel to negative y-axis. That's why it will be negative. So these are the answers of this particular question. It was long to read, but it is very short to solve. And if you are knowing each and every concept, you will be able to solve the question. Once again, if you will go through this, I hope you will understand how to solve this yeah, how to solve such type of questions in which lens name is not given. But if lens name is not given, if name of the lens is not given, something will be given in the question so that you can reach to the answer, and we have reached. This is also answer. Convex lens with focal length of 30 centimeter and the height of the image will be minus 10 centimeter. Now let's move to the next question. It is of a concave lens. A concave lens has focal length of 20 centimeter. At what distance from the lens a 5 centimeter tall object? Start writing given data. A convex lens of focal length. Focal length of convex lens is always negative. So minus 20 centimeter. At what distance from the lens a 5 centimeter tall object be placed? 5 centimeter tall object means HO is given to you is 5 centimeter. At what distance it will be placed means object distance is being asked here. U is asked. So that it forms an image at 15 centimeter. V is given to you 15 centimeter. It is a convex lens. Image distance. Again, previous to previous question I have taken it negative. Means image is coming, means image distance is given something. Object distance we have to find out. If there is image distance and focal length is also given. Just use what concept? That in convex lens, if the object is placed at infinity, image is going to form at focus. But if the object is placed at some finite distance, we have to find out that finite distance. Image is going to be formed virtual. Its nature will be virtual. It will be formed on the left side, on the same side of the lens. That's why it will be negative. U. This much data is sufficient to find out the value of U, and once we will find out the value of V, we will be able to find out the value of what? It is asking to find out the height of the image also. So just start writing. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. 1 upon U, take this minus 1 upon U on left side, and 1 upon V minus 1 upon F, this on right side. 1 upon U is equal to minus 1 upon 15 minus times 1 upon minus 20, like this. 1 upon U is equal to, taking LCM we will get 60, 15 it will be minus 4, minus minus plus 3. Or we can write it 1 upon U is equal to minus 1 upon 60, which will be equivalent to U is equal to minus 60 centimeter. It should be minus and it has came in minus, means our answer is correct. One more thing we are asked to find, that is 1 upon HI is equal to 1 upon HO, V upon U. Just put the values. HI upon HO is given here. 5 centimeter is equal to V minus 15 centimeter. U we have find out minus 60 centimeter. Minus will cancel minus. 15 will cancel 64 times. And HI will be equivalent to what? 5 by 4, or it will, if we will divide it, we will get 1.25 in centimeter. It has came in positive, means image will be in the upward direction, means it will be upside on the principal axis, like this. If we will need to draw this diagram, its focus is given here 20, object we have find out 60 will be at some, suppose here it is 60. What type of ray diagram will be formed? I am just drawing one. image is used to be formed on 15 centimeter, means here at this point approx image is going to form like this. This light ray will move like this. Another light ray, it will seem to cross through this point. And one more rule, if we go through, what it will be, suppose it will be passed through optical center like this, it will move through, and this place image is going to form. Image size will be smaller than object. You can compare. Size of object is 5 centimeter and size of image has came 1.25. So nature of the image will be virtual and erect. Its size will be smaller than the object. Its position will be at 15 centimeter on the same side of the lens. So these were the numericals. I hope you all have understood, and keep on doing more and more practice of such type of numericals. Thank you, students.